Nature works in cycles. Endless, eternal cycles of life. In our world today, we have created a lot of linear thinking that begins with something and then ends, but actually that's not how life works and how nature works. If we look at the world of nature, we see cycles in plant life, in animal life, of the day and night, of the seasons, of the solar system, the sun and the stars. So these cycles are models of regeneration. It has a period of awakening, it has a period of growth and flourishing and full life and abundance. And then this sense of dieback, of decay, of reaching a point of restoration and regeneration.